So today's class we are going to see question number 15 of exercise 6.5 triangles chapter. So according to the question, you're given an equilateral triangle ABC here and BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. So ABC is an equilateral triangle. You have to write the given as an equilateral triangle. D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. And you're going to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Okay, for this problem, see all these things are given here. This is a problem that is concerned with Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this problem have to be solved using Pythagoras theorem. For this, we need a right angle triangle. So what we are going to do is we are going to construct AE such that AE is perpendicular to BC. So construction you have to write as draw AE perpendicular to BC. Now you get right triangle here. Okay, three right triangles, that is right triangle AEC, right triangle AEB and right triangle AED. Okay. Now look at the question here. Here you have to take AD square first. I've always said that the question for this type of problems that is concerned with Pythagoras theorem, there is a clue in the question itself. First you have to take AD square. For this, what you're going to do is you have to take this triangle ADE. Now AD square is the hypotenuse, therefore AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. So first step of the proof here, it is in triangle ADE, AD square is equal to AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Then next is you have to take triangle AB, because what is the other side here? AB square. So how do you get AB square here? AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. So this is the second equation here. AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. So just look at the question here. What you have to prove here is 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. The AD square and AB square on either side of the equation. That means they are not the same side, hence they should not be added. See, if this AB square comes to this side, it will be 9AD square minus 7AB square. So let us subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, that is AD square minus AB. LHS minus LHS gives you AD square minus AB square is equal to AE square plus DE square minus AE square plus BE square. When you take the negative sign into the inside the bracket, you get it as negative AE square, negative BE square. So AE square, positive AE square, negative AE square gets cancelled. What remains here is DE square minus BE square. Okay. Just we did the earlier question number 14. What we have to do next is we have to express DE and BE in terms of BC. Then after we express this in terms of BC, since AB is equal to BC, we can write it as AB also. That is, after expressing in terms of BC, in the place of BC we can substitute AB and thus we'll be getting the answer. Let us see how to do this. It is already given that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Isn't it? BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. See, what is BE here? BE is equal to half of BC. Why? We know that this is an equilateral triangle, and always an altitude of an equilateral triangle divides the two triangles in two equal parts, means two congruent triangles, and also the opposite side, it also acts as a median. The altitude of an equilateral triangle as well as an isosceles triangle acts as a median. That is, it bisects the opposite side. BE is equal to EC, BE is equal to EC or BC by 2. Let us see, we have to prove that simply this statement will not do for the exam. We have to prove and show that BE is equal to EC. For that we are going to take triangle ABE and triangle ACE here, and we already know that AB is equal to AC for equilateral triangle as well as isosceles triangle. Okay, AB is equal to AC and AE is equal to AE here. Also angle AEB is equal to angle AEC. So according to RHS, that is hypotenuse in one side of two triangles are equal. Hence we can say that this triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AEC by RHS congruence criterion. Hence we can say that BE is equal to EC CPCT. That is, BE is equal to EC is equal to BC by 2. Okay, we have expressed BE in terms of BC here. Let us see how to express DE in terms of BC. We already know that DE is equal to BE minus BD here. And BE is equal to BC by 2, just now we saw. And it is also given that BD is equal to BC by 3. So in the place of BE, we are going to substitute as BC by 2. And the place of BD, we are going to substitute as BC by 3 here. which is given. So after taking LCM in cross multiplication method, what you get here is BC by 6. That is 3 BC minus 2 BC is 1 BC by 6. So we got DE as BC by 6. Now we have got both values of BE and DE in terms of BC. Now we are going to substitute these two values in this equation. So after substituting in equation 3 here, what you get here is AD square minus AB square is equal to BC by 6. That is DE is equal to BC by 6. Just now we saw that. And BE is equal to BC by 2. So after substituting, we get it as BC square by 36 minus BC square by 4. Since 4 is a multiple of, factor of 36, 36 will be the LCM here. After taking the LCM, we get it as BC square minus 4 into 9 is 36, therefore 9 into BC square. So 1 BC square minus 9 BC square is equal to negative 8 BC square by 36. Negative 8 and 36 are common multiples of 4 here. So these two gets cancelled by 4. What you get here is negative 2 BC square by 9. Negative 2 by 9 BC square. So after cross multiplying or after multiplying this equation throughout by 9 or this taking this 9 to the other side, what you get here is, so before that what you have to do is you have to substitute in the place of BC as AB, because equilateral triangle sides of all the sides of equilateral triangle are equal. Hence in the place of BC we are going to substitute AB here, so that we convert all the sides in terms of AD and AB will be reaching to the answer soon. So after substituting AB in the place of BC, what you get here is AD square minus AB square is equal to negative 2AB square by 9. And after taking this 9 to the other side, multiplying this equation throughout by 9, however you do, you get the answer. So 9 AD square minus 9 AB square is equal to negative 2 AB square. So after transposing this negative 9 to the other side, you get it as 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Hence proved here. Let me solve the whole procedure once again. This is the given triangle here. This is the given triangle, equilateral triangle here, and it is given that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. And first thing we have to take, according to the question here, it is asked to prove 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So first we are going to take AD square, that is triangle ADE, and we are getting one equation number 1 here. And after taking ABE, we get equation 2. After subtracting 1 minus 2, we get third equation. And the place of third equation, so you get the equation after subtracting equation 1 minus equation, you get the third equation. So we have to express DE and BE in terms of BC here. This procedure will show you how to express DE and BE in terms of BC. So we are going to substitute these two values in the equation 3. After substituting, after taking LCM, get the answer here. Hope you have understood the procedure.